Google Merchant Center tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Google Merchant and how you can set it up. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So setting it up is pretty simple. You come over here onto Google and you can just simply go to accounts.google.com, or you can just simply go to Google Merchant Center. It'll pop up and then just simply go ahead and sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and verify it. And here we go. So this is it. Google for retail. This is the Merchant Center. Here you can go ahead and start up. And since this is a Google product, there won't be a whole lot of sign up options. You can just simply go ahead and click on start now and you should be good to go. So here you can go ahead and tell Google about your business. Do you sell products online? Do you have a physical store? I don't have a physical store, and yes, we do sell it online. Now here you can go ahead and type in your website, and after adding your website, it'll tell you where your products will be shown, what you need to do, own your online store, products not services, and stuff like that. And then I don't have a store or sell services. You can do that. If you do that, you got to go ahead and create the ads account, but we're going to click on continue to Merchant Center and then enter in your business info, like for example, business name, region, and then click to Merchant Center. And once you've done that, you are good to go. Here is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your Google Merchant Center, and this is your dashboard. Here you can see everything. So here at the top right corner, you can see all of your product, well, merchant ID and your shopping center or shopping name, whatever you want to call it. And this is your merchant center right here. And this is a little checklist that you got to go ahead and do. So add your business address, confirm your online store, add details of your product, and add your product right here. You got to add your return policy as well. And then once everything looks good, you will be set up, and then you can go ahead and run ads, run your ad campaign, and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and do that. So first things first, add your business address. You can go ahead and do that yourself. Just simply click on the add button over here, and here just fill out this form, city, state, province, everything. And there we go. So it's going to go ahead and do all of that. And there we go. Business address is good. Now confirm your online store of your business. So click on confirm. And here you got to add your URL. It says it's not verified, and we can go ahead and do that, and not yet claimed as well, which is weird, but that's fine. You can go ahead and verify. There are a couple of options. You can either go ahead and get a code sent to your business email, or use an e-commerce platform if you have like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix, or you can add a HTML tag to your file or use a Google Tag Manager, right? All of them will work. Currently, the website that I have is the Google website. I tried adding the domain over here, and I did, but for some reason it just it's not working as of right now. Like if I go over to the domain, oh, it's working. Oh, that's perfect. So now we should be good to go. So now it says it's not verified or anything. Let's go ahead and do that. So for that, we can go with this one. This will send a code, right? We could go with this one or use one of the online platforms. For example, if we have other app platforms, we can go ahead and do that, or add an HTML tag or upload an HTML file to our website. You can see right here, you can upload a file to this link right here. So if I click on it, currently it's not working, but that's fine. Or we can use the Google Tag Manager for that. We have to make sure that the publish permission corner is set, right? Then we can go ahead and click on verify and make sure that the no script portion of the Google Tag Manager is selected. So once everything looks good, we can just simply go ahead and click on verify and we are good to go. So totally depends on you. So this is the HTML tag generator. We can copy this one and paste the HTML tag in the HTML code of our website store's homepage. It should go in the home section before the first body section. For example, over here, this is how it's going to look like. Before the head, before the first head, and then before the body section. So then we can click on verify and it will verify our online store. Okay, so I added the tag, but currently I don't think it's working. So I guess we'll just skip this. I did add the tag, but that not work. Sometimes it does. It's weird. I don't know why it's not working, but we'll just skip this step for now, but it should work for you. There are a bunch of options for you to do that. You can try a bunch of options, but for me, it's not currently working. So we'll skip that. Next is to add details to show how you ship your products, right? So if you click over here, these things would go much more quicker if you are using one of the Shopify's or any other tools like that, like for example Wix or Squarespace or something like that, or maybe even BigCommerce and WordPress or WooCommerce as well, because they already have all of those stuff, so you won't have to worry about it. Like for example, over here you can see we have the return policy, right? So if I go ahead and click on the settings options, and then right here at the bottom we have the policies, right? Here you have the return policy and the shipping policy. You can go ahead and just use one of the templates as an example just to set everything up, right? And you are good to go. Over here, you can add your own shipping policy as well, a return and refund policy as well. So you can just simply go ahead and add that. That's the template, right? And then contact info. Over here, you can add your own contact info, like for example, your email, your phone numbers, your fax numbers, whatever it is that you are using in order to go ahead and contact. You can add those over here. And then you can go ahead and verify it by just simply clicking on this button, and you can just basically copy those files and paste them over here, or like, you know, link page them over here. So it's as simple as that. So currently I haven't added those over here. So let me just add that page right here. So let me click over here, and full page embedded. You can even add those over there as well. I did try that, but it didn't work. So we're going to click on page. This is going to be the return policy, right? Yep. Return policy. Copy that. Paste that here, click on done, and we have the page right here. Next, what I'll do is actually I'll just use the return policy that we created over here, like this template, copy that and just paste that over here as a text file, and just say that's it. And yeah, I think that should be good to go. And then we can just simply go ahead and copy the link. I'm going to come over here onto the other website, see whether or not it's working. All right, it's done, it's published. Here we have the return policy. We'll just copy that, copy the link, come back over here and paste the link, and then we can just simply go ahead and add it. We can add more countries to it. I accept returns, and I don't expect exchange. So we can just go ahead and click on save. Why can't I do that? So we now have to select the countries as well. So click on all countries, click on add, and there we go. Then we just simply click on next, and now we have all the countries that are available and confirm. Click on save, and that's how you can do this, right? Again, pretty simple. Next, you can go ahead and add products. So add or remove country, select over here. So let's just say we currently go to Australia, click on confirm, and click on continue. And now you can add your products. So you can add products from a file, or use a Google Sheet, or add product one by one. It totally depends on you. It requires manual updates as well. So keep that in mind. And you can create a spreadsheet by clicking on the use template option right here. Let's go ahead and do that and select all. This will add products and details template. Delete 2 rows to 5 as they contain instructions and example. Return to the policy page. Click on continue. Right. Let me go ahead and click on that button. It's going to take us to the template so that we can see the type of templates that we need to create. So 2 to 5, it says right here, these contain all of the instructions. So basically this is how it's going to be. So this is required. This is the, I would say, product ID. This is the title. This is description. These are all required. You can see right here, all these information. So this is all the information that you're going to have to add in order to go ahead and add it into your website. The required ones are required. The other ones are optional, but beneficial. You can see right here at the top, required for appeal and distinguishing and stuff like that. So you got to go ahead and add all of these informations like this in the file, and then you should be good to go. And then you can use this file and you should be good to go. You can add links over here. You can add availability, descriptions, and everything. And you can upload the file right here, choose an existing spreadsheet or create a template, and then click on continue. And once it's done, you should be good to go. It'll go ahead and detect automatically if there are any issues, if there are any products and contents and everything. So currently it's checking everything, but once it's done, we should be good to go. I should have removed this field, and this one as well. Delete the rows that contain description instructions. The other ones should be kept. So, all right. So let me actually delete those. There we go. And click on update. And here we go. So you can see right here, it detected all the products. And now we should be good to go. And now we can go back and we have our product section right here. So some problems are over here. You can see if you click over here, they need some attention. If there is a problem, it'll let you know. You can see unsupported image type, mismatched domains, and missing shipping information. And once you've finished all of that, you should be good to go. You can just go ahead and finish up. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and confirm, as I said before, your online business profile, add the website, and you can see how to ship your products, basically add your shipping websites and your shipping method, and you are good to go. So pretty much that's it. Those are all the things you needed to know about Google Merchant Center and how you can set it up. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.